Hi folks, this is Dr. Burke Mays. I'm a practicing chiropractor here in Brooklyn Center, Minnesota. And I'm here to talk today about thyroid disorders. I deal a lot with people with chronic conditions, and very often an underlying part to that is undiagnosed and unidentified thyroid disorders. In fact, in this country, about 25 million people a year are suffering with thyroid dysfunction, and only about half are actually diagnosed. So you could either be somebody who you've been diagnosed with thyroid disorder and you've been put on medication, you're not feeling real great, or you think something's going on and you've gone in, you've had the tests, you're told you're fine, but you still don't feel good. In the workshop that we're doing in 2 weeks on September 1st, we're going to go into all of how that happens in detail and what can be done about it. But today, we're just going to talk a little bit about the real basics about how your thyroid works. Because once you get a handle on that, you can start to see about different things you can be doing to get your health back. So it all starts up here in the brain. Your brain makes a hormone called thyroid stimulating hormone. It goes down to your thyroid and tells your thyroid to make the thyroid hormones. It does it in two forms. One's called T3. That's about 7% of your thyroid hormone, and that's the active part. That actually does something. The other 94% is what we call T4, and that's what we call inactive. And it gets carried down to some different tissues in your body by a protein called thyroid binding globulin. It's like a taxi driver. Carries that T4 out to places like your gut and your liver and your kidneys, where there it's converted into that T3. So notice, if your gut, your liver, your kidneys aren't working to peak capacity, you're going to have an impaired ability to make your active form your hormones. Then the T3 then goes to your cells. Goes in the nucleus of your cells, and that nucleus is kind of like a protein-making factory. Turns that on, and then with combination of thyroid hormone and growth hormone, does a bunch of different things in your body. One of them is makes new DNA. We lose billions of cells every day, and we need to build new ones. So new DNA is the building block for new cells. So if you don't have adequate growth hormone and adequate thyroid hormone, you're not going to replenish and rebuild your body as you age. But also, the proteins are enzymes. Enzymes are, to put it real simple, they help your body make energy. So if you don't have adequate thyroid hormone, you can't make the energy that you need, and that's where that being tired all the time comes from. Lastly, makes your structural proteins. It makes the things that make up your gut, makes up your skin, makes up all the parts of your body. So if you're not regenerating those, your body continues to break down, and you get more and more unhealthy. We talk more about this in more detail in our workshop on September 1st. I invite you to come, learn more about alternatives you can do to take back your health. Again, I'm Dr. Burke Mays, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Thanks a lot.